Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today to share my December daily 2020 with you. So, in the video that you guys would have saw on Wednesday, if you haven't seen that video, you could go over and watch it first, but it doesn't really matter. I will just show you all of the layouts that I've completed. So Wednesday was days 8, 9, and 10, and I really love how they turned out. I used my December stash kit for them, and it was awesome. So after that happened, I kind of got busy and just never really had time to like sit and have dedicated time to record. So I did get further in my album, but I didn't finish it all the way. So I think slowly this year I'll kind of just work on a page here and a page there. And then that way, hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be done. And maybe this December, you can see a completed 2020 album. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. But this is the Ali Edwards album I used. I don't remember what year it's from. I don't believe it was from 2020, but it could have been. I'm not a huge Ali Edwards follower. I do, though, love her, oh my god, sorry, my words are just not working. I do love her albums, though, especially the December daily ones. So I usually try to buy a December daily album whenever I'm doing it. And this is the one that I got that year. I think it was 2020. It might have been 2019. I don't remember. Anyway, so this is what the inside looks like. I think I have a video from 2020 where I made this little acetate page. So I will leave links below for each of the pages that I made in 2020 and shared with you guys. So this one is just an old acetate. I don't even remember who this acetate is from. And then I've just got some stash elements here. I really love how this turned out. And then I love that you can see the page behind it kind of already. And it's got that gold, and then it has pops of greens and reds, which is just totally awesome and totally works with this cover page or acetate page. Kept the back simple. Turned out great. I love it. So this one is just a sequin page. Like, I didn't do anything extra with it. I just added a bunch of Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins, added 2 tree acrylic pieces, and I believe those are from, I want to say Color Cast Designs. This paper, it's a red, close to my heart paper. And then a specialty paper. I don't remember which collection it came from, but it's a little bit old. I think I have a video with this as well. Then day number 1. I hope you guys can see it okay. I know there's kind of a glare. But day number 1, Brennan was doing some homework on his bed with a snack, and of course, whenever the kids have snacks, Max is right next to them begging. He won't attack, usually, but he always just has to be there just in case they're gonna share. I think I do have a process video for this one. I believe I have a process video for this one too. This one was made using my scrapbooking store kit for the month of December back in, I believe it was 2020. Gosh, maybe it was 2021 that this one was. No. Yeah, this would have been in 2020. Or actually, it might have been January of 2021. That's probably what it was. But of course, I had to document my Starbucks run on the 2nd of December, and I just used a bunch of fun little embellishments. Then you guys are familiar with the next few pages. So this one was the 3rd, just documenting our pretty tree with the kids hanging out on the couch with Piper. Then days 4, 5, and 6, I all documented on one page because they were very little stories. Day 7, I took a couple of photos, so I made one whole page for that one. Then I don't have permission to show these people, but this is my cousin. I just kind of intermix her, not business cards, holiday cards that we get from people. This page is the one that I posted on Wednesday. If you haven't seen this one, again, go over and watch it. I think these are some of my favorite pages. Just very simple. I love these embellishments and just super easy and such a cute photo of my Tinny. Tinny baby, I call him, even though he's not a baby. Okay, so this was day number 9. I used it was an old Christmas collection and just a picture. I'm editing photos here in my scrap room, and then I was watching a Christmas movie, so that's what I did that day. Day number 10, I found Jonas cuddling with Piper, and Jonas had put these, I don't know if you guys can see them that far away, but Jonas had put these little antler ears on Piper, and she was just like, okay, and just kind of sitting there dejected, which is so funny because she will let us do things like that just to get a photo. And then, of course, we'll take them off after we get the photo because, yeah, poor dog, right? So that was just a super easy page and really simple. So the next, I think 5 pages are ones that I did not record, and I just did while I was chatting probably with Hannah, who is my scrappy bestie, but which this last page that I did was a photo of her and me FaceTiming, so it's kind of funny. But I just kept these super duper simple. This one was using my kit from last month from the scrapbooking store and the alpha from them too. Just a simple picture of Tinny and looking at the presents under the tree. Piper loves to jump up on my bed and cuddle under my covers or in them. Like, she'll make like a little nest, and it's so stinking cute. So that is what that's a picture of. Day number 13 is just a pretty picture with all of our presents under the tree. And then, let's see, day number 14, I just snapped a photo of the weather. And there's a heart here covering up the word F-U-C-K. So, because not everybody loves to swear like I do or loves to see it. So I just thought I would do that. So it's the time of year when you hop in your car and just start screaming F until you're warm again. I just thought that was hilarious. And this weather app is called WT Forecast. And then also here, I put in a Christmas card. I think this one is from my mom. So I just kind of stuck that in between these two, just to make sure it was in the album. Day number 15, I caught Tinian reading, and you can kind of see the tree in the background. And so I just thought that that was the coolest picture. And then, like I said, day number 16, and also the last page that I did, is a photo of Hannah and I FaceTiming. And of course, it's not the greatest photo, but I just love capturing these moments in real life. And then the number 16 is right here. I'm kind of thinking, because you can't even really see the number 16. You kind of can. Because it's a black and white photo, you really can't. I'm thinking I might change it to here. So I will have photos posted at the end of all of the layouts that I did create. And hopefully I can show you a little bit more throughout the year or at the end of the year. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're excited that I'm back. I told my husband I think I need to have like 2 or 3 days a week that I just need to have me time, because for so long I've had me time, but at the same time it's not like it used to be, and I think I kind of miss it. Like so he's like, "Yeah, totally. I love that idea," cuz I think he kind of misses his me time too. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you keep an eye out on my social media to see the schedule for next week. I have a lot of fun and interesting videos coming out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.